Hello, some of you. First tutorial I will show you is how to use Paint Studio Clip, if it's even possible. So first, the first thing that you have to do is you see the shortcut here, button Control N, you get out of there, press Control N, and then resolution always 72 because Clip Studio lags when you do 300, and it's for people with RAM, and in this economy we don't have RAM. So we're gonna start with this, and then you find your own brushes. I'm not gonna tell you where to find them, and then make sure you can draw, and then this is like a square head, and we will give him a crown, and then we will give him floating ears. Okay, following me so far? Look, I can move my hands. That's nice. Anyway, we give them eyes, and then you pick the eraser tool from here, and then we erase, and then we give him mustache, and then finish the rest of the drawing. Easy. Don't forget to put eyebrows, glasses, and sign it. And there we have it. First tutorial done.